If you have seen my previous video on Satin Pothos, I got a big cutting from a friend and then I made smaller cuttings, rooted them in water and then planted it in this container, and it was doing really well. And I kept it indoors and it's been 2 years. Let me show you what happened to it. It's been sitting here in bright, indirect sunlight in my living room. As you can see, one of the stems has grown longer, but it's not looking that great. I mean, Satin Pothos is a slow growing plant, so you don't expect it to grow really long very quickly, but it's been 2 years and I've been waiting. So now my patience has given up and I'm going to make smaller cuttings from it again and make it a bushier plant. Instead of trying to grow it long, I will plant a lot of cuttings in this container in the hope that it will look better. So I'm going to use the same method that I did earlier. That is, I'll put all the cuttings in water in this jar and leave it indoors right here. And once it roots, then I'll plant them. It's been about 1 week or maybe 10 days that we put these cuttings in here. So let's take them out and see how they are doing. I see some growth there. Let's see one by one. Definitely has roots. I mean, this one has roots. So pretty much all the cuttings have roots except one. So I'm going to take all these rooted cuttings and plant them in the same container. I know this is a small container, but I want this container to look good. And I have been waiting for 2 years. So I'll just plant all these cuttings in here. I'm just showing you, how I'll just dig it up and put the cutting in here and just make sure that the roots are buried. I'm going to take it outdoors and do all this and then I'll show you how it looks. So I took it outside, I put all the cuttings in there, I staked them, I put some more soil in it so that they don't come out easily or just don't fall apart. So if you look at this plant now, it's looking so good as compared to what it was earlier. Because this is a slow growing plant, you want to make sure that the planter looks full. And for that, the strategy is that you plant a lot of cuttings in a small container so that it looks good from day one. I mean, normally I like to make my plants grow longer and longer, but if they are not growing that fast, change your strategy. What do you think about it? Do you like this strategy better or do you want it to grow longer naturally? Let me know in the comments.